Lenny, you remember doing the home and garden shows?
Those were a lot of fun. At the time, it was unknown that there were products formulated and specific for natural stones. So it was an education and an adventure all bundled into one. But at the same time, with our knowledge and background, it lent itself very naturally because we grew up in the business.
Yeah, we found out too that a lot of customers were looking for answers, and we thought it was great when we actually had product on the shelf where people would actually pick up a bottle, turn it around, and call us, and that became a kind of our superpower, right? What we can do was our expertise is we created the Stone Care Experts, where they can live chat, they can call us, they can send in pictures, and we answer those questions. And we felt like that was a way to really connect and be able to help and just prevent, because a lot of times preventive is the big part, right? Having the right steps, I think that was important.